Okay, guys, so this is the chart for volatility 75 index. I'm actually using trading view platform. So if you don't have trading view, you can go to Google, just Google trading view for binary.com. There's also trading view for this indices. Okay, so just go to tradingview.binary.com. Okay, then you'll get all the charts there. All right, so we're talking of order blocks. So we see here that the market went up. The market went up here, breaking this high over here, right? And then, so what we want to see, basically, we want to see the market break a high. So the market, this is at the beginning of this move, okay? So the market did break this high in this area. So the market then came back, violating that high. So what did we say a bullish order block is the last red candle, the last bearish candle. Okay, so we have the last bearish candle at this area here. So everybody can see that. Let me just maybe increase the size of this thing. Okay, right. So this is our order block. So we can just drag it all the way to the side. So the market did come down, then pull back, then came to the order block. So you want to see how the market reacts when it gets to the order block. So you see a rejection pin here, then the market went all the way up, okay, to this highs over here. So now the market did break structure above here, okay. So this last red candle here for this move here, so you see there's a red candle here, so that is our order block as well. Okay, so that's the bearish order block. So then what are you gonna do? We're gonna wait for the market to come back to the order block. Okay, so this is the order block right here. So in this case, the market did not come back to our order block, right? It's not every time that the market has to come back to your order block. So the market pulled back, respected the structure here, and then went up, broke this high, right? So when it broke this high, so you want to see the market broke a high before you can validate an order block. Okay, so creating this order block over here. So this order block has not been tested yet, so we'll wait for it to be tested in the future. Okay, so this right here, there's an order block right here, this red spinning top candle here. Okay, so we can just drag it to this side. So then you wait for the market to come back to the order block. Market went up, pulled back. So what happened when the market touched the order block? The market went up. Sorry guys, this thing is just giving me some problems here. The market then went up from this area here. Okay, came back again, still retested the same order block and went up. Market broke structure here. This thing is messing with me, yes. Honestly. Okay. So market went up, broke structure, came back down, all the way down. And broke the structures below here. Okay, so broke structures below here. So you see that the structure has been broken. So it means that a decision was taken to take the market from those highs all the way to this down here. Okay, so this last green candle here, we can now say that it is an order block. Okay, so it's a valid order block because the market moved from there, coming to break this lows here. Okay, so what do? You can wait for the market to come back to it. So you can see how strong this order block that was here, how strong it is. So the market came all the way down. The market came all the way down to this area here to retest this order block. Remember, this order block was never tested. So look what happened when the market came here. It formed some sort of a W here and then went all the way up. So when it got up, there's a bearish order block there. What happened when the market got to the bearish order block? The market was rejected. So you could have taken a short sell here. Okay. But the market did not go, was met by, and this is an order block right here. So what happened when the market got to this? It's a bearish order block because it broke, the market broke structure at this point here. Okay, so the market went up, breaking structure here, creating an order block. So when the market came back after respecting this order block, it also respected this order block, then went up back to this order block, came back to this order block, and then broke structures above. Okay, so structures were broken to the upside here. So now we have an order block here because this structure was broken here as well. And then we have another, we could say this is an order block as well. So this bearish order block is so strong that the market will still respect it in future. If we can just, let me just drag it to show you. Sorry guys, I'm just frustrated because this thing. Do you see that? So the market broke above it, came back to it, and was still respected. You see that? And the market went to the upside. Okay. So when you highlight an order block, you just highlight the whole block. Okay. You highlight the whole block, and then you can just drag it to your right, so that when the market reaches there, it will respect it, and then you just put your stop loss below the order block. Anyway, let's continue. So the market broke to the upside, pulled back, didn't come back to respect this order block here. So this is also an order block. Okay, so it didn't come back, push to the upside, pull back, push to the upside. So this is also an order block. We have an order block right here. Never got respected. Never got tested, rather, sorry. Market made a pullback here. Went up. So when the market went up, it broke the structure above. Okay. So the last red candle is now the order block. So you highlight the whole candle from the wicks to the body. Okay, and then you can just drag it across. Then you wait for the market to come back to the order block. Okay, so market came back to the order block. You see how the market reacts. You can take your buys up to this highs over here. Market came back again to test the order block again, then went up, breaking this highs here. So now we have another order block here. Okay, so we wait for the market to come back to this order block, but the market did not come back. The market rather continued to go up. Okay, so when the market went up, it broke this highs here. So where is the order block? Is the last bearish candle since the market is going up. Okay, so we highlighted the order block here, right? So you can drag it to the right. Okay, so you see that I highlighted from the top wick to the bottom wick. Okay, so that is the order block. Then I wait for the market to come back to test the area, and I see how the market reacts when it gets to that area. Okay, so in this case, the market did not come back. No stress. It is not your trade. So what did the market then do? I hope you guys are following this. The market then pulled back. Okay, did not come all the way down. Pulled back, creating a double bottom, some sort of pull back, breaking structure here slightly. So when the market broke structure here, we look, okay, what was the last candle? So we are looking for, because the market, this move here went down, breaking structure here. So the last green candle, which is this candle right here, so that is the order block. So we're going to highlight it and see how the market reacts. Okay, so just drag it to the side. And wait for the market to come back to that area. So market did what? Market pushed up, came to our order block. It's a nice engulfing candlestick. Then you enter. Market went all the way down. You see, then you target this areas over here. You take your TP. Market then pushed back up, came back to the same order block, reacted but went to the upside. Okay, so you are waiting for the market. The market started to range here. So then the market went pushed up, breaking the structure here. So where is the order block? The order block is the last bearish candle here, since the market is going up. So what you want to look for as well, you want to look for aggressive moves. Okay, you want to look for order blocks that were made by aggressive moves, because it shows you that whoever that is in charge took a decision, because it's only the big players. If you go back to our first video, you understand all those things to the states of the market. The big players can move the market in an aggressive way. So that's where you want to locate your order blocks as well. Okay, you want to see a break of structure. You also want to see an aggressive move. Did that break of structure, was it caused by an aggressive move? Okay, so that's what you want to be identifying. So the market was broken. Then we highlighted our order block. This is the last red candlestick here. We highlighted and we just drag to the side. Then we wait for the market to come back there. Okay, so the market did what? The market pulled back. So we are waiting to see if the market will come back there. Did not respect this tops. I told you that V75 makes deeper corrections most of the time. It broke through to come back and test our order block. Candlestick pattern went up. You take your trade here. But when the market was coming down, notice that the market created a high, then it created a lower high. Right? Created a lower high here. So all this information, you must keep it in mind. Okay. And then the market broke this lows here to come to the downside aggressively. So when you look at this aggressive move, before it happened, what was the last green candle? You locate it. This is the last green candle here. Okay. And then what you do, you highlight the green candle. Okay. Then you just drag your shape, your rectangle to the right, and then you wait for the market to approach that area. And once the market reacts, you take your trade all the way to this point here, to the next order block. Okay, so that's all the market is doing. That's all the market is doing. So the market reacted again to this order block. So you only want to use the order block once or twice, because after it has been used 2 times, usually it loses its effectiveness. So what happened? The market rejected from this order block again, and then market broke to the downside. You see, then because the market has broken below this lows, okay, so what was the last candle, green candle? It is here. Okay, it is here. So you wait to see how the market will react. The market got here and reacted and went back down again. Do you see that? So it respected this order block. Market broke to the upside. You look at the candlestick, the last candlestick before the market went up. It is this one here. You highlight. Just mark the lows, the tops and the bottoms of the candle, and then just drag it to the side. Then you wait for the market to come to that area. What happened when the market got there? The market reacted and went up. You see, the market came back, reacted to the order block, went up, came back down, breaking this lows, right, and then went back up. So here you need to be careful because you want to focus on the breaks. Did this move break a low? Okay, so last candlestick, green candle, since the market, when it went down, it broke all these lows. What happened? When the market got back to that order block, the market went down. Came back again, the market still pushed to the downside. Okay, that's all. When the market gets to that OB, you want to see what will happen. It's as simple as that, guys. It is as simple as that. It's not even rocket science. Look at this order block here. If you drag it all the way to the side, the market came back several times to it and it reacted. You see this reaction? So this reaction even broke all the way to the upside here. So this is another order block here. Let me steal this one. This is an order block right here. Right here, we have an order block. This is an order block. So when the market comes back to this order block, you want to see the reaction of the market. Right? So the market came back to the order block, and what did the market do? The market reacted. Okay. The market came here, reacted from that order block, pulled back, and went all the way up. All the way up, breaking this highs. So this is an order block because it broke this highs This is an order block because the market went to break this highs from it. Okay, so if I were just to highlight this order block here, sorry about that, highlight this and just take it to the side. So all the wicks. So what did the market do? When the market got there, the market reacted. Reacted and went up. Okay, so sometimes when you see all green candles like this, you see there is 1, 2, 3 green candles before the market went all the way down. So you can take all this as an order block because they're all green. Okay, so if you go to a higher time frame than this one, it will just be one block. So this is an order block right here. So the market tested this order block, went up to the next order, to the order block that broke the structures right here. What you want to see, you want to see break of structure. Structure was broken right here, right? And the market went to that OB and then pushed all the way to the downside, breaking the structure here. Okay, so when this structure was broken, the market created an order block right here. Okay, because this move was aggressive, right? Then what did the market do? Went back to test that order block. The market did not respect this. As I told you, V75 makes deeper corrections, went all the way back in to retest that order block and then came back down, breaking the structure. Okay, so you could have taken this trade. Market went back up, retested this order block again, just a little, and broke to the upside. So that's all the market is doing, guys. That's all the market is doing, nothing else. Okay, that's all the market is doing. So this is just a range. Market broke to the upside, so I'm sure this is an order block. The market reacted to it. The last candlestick, guys. So where is the last candlestick? The last red candlestick? It's right here. Right here. That is the most effective one. Last candlestick before break of structure. Then what happened when the market arrived there? The market went up nicely. So, in fact, like I said, if you see all red candlestick, you can treat this whole area as an order, but the best one is the last one. Okay, because you can see, since from this area, the market was reacting, right? The market reacted to this area, just reacting to this area. But when you go to the last one, it lifted up. Okay, lifted up, went all the way, broke structure, broke the structure here. Guys, this works with almost all volatilities. Okay, so market came back, retest here, then shot up, pull back. This time structure was respected, went up, but the market, this is almost like also the last red candle is at the top, so the market will be respected. You see, let me just show you, highlight this. So this is it. Okay, this is it. Last first candle. You see the market came back, then went up. Okay, all red candles. So the market will just react here slightly and then go up. Yeah, guys, I think I've shown you enough examples. So let us stop our video here. So you can go into the market, continue and see these things for yourself. Order block, the last candlestick. Okay, in any particular direction before the market was broken. Okay, maybe let's just do this last one here. So let's do this one's on the downtrend. So the market pushed down, broke structure here. So this one was not tested. This one was tested. Right here. Okay, market went down. Market broke structure here, pull back, but did not test our OB this time around. So when I say OB, I mean order block. So market went down, pushed, broke structure. The structures were broken here, right? Market pushed from here and broke structure. So let's highlight our order block. So just the smaller and a candle here. So market came back here and market pushed to the downside. Came back and pushed to the downside. So that's all the market is doing, guys. That's all the market is doing. So if you feel our videos are helpful, just please hit that like button and then please subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, you can also join our Telegram group and then receive our free signals. But we're only gonna give free signals when the channel reaches to, like, when the Telegram channel reaches to 50 people. Right now there are a few people, so hit that like button, hit that subscription button and join our Telegram. Thank you, guys. I hope this video was useful to you. Bye.